Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to change your wiring door, driver door harness with a OEM warning harness from Acura. With part number, this one, all of this I won't repeat it. Basically it's for Acura MDX 2007 to 2009, and then 2009 to 2010 they are different part number, so be careful with it, okay? Even though if you have a second gen Acura MDX, mine is a 2009, so basically I bought the 2007 to 9, and then from 10 to 13 they are different part numbers, because in the connection the dealer told me that they had like different pinpoint with communication and something like that. I got this, and all you need, don't look at my mess. I didn't have like a lot of time to clean up my car, so basically all you need is a small screwdriver like this, or both if you're if you have a lot of money. And basically we'll go through all of this. And we need to start by removing this and the kick panel right there with the fuse box. And if you're able to, this part only to pry it, and I know it's real. I do have a plastic pry bar for plastic part like that. Basically we'll start by here, and here's our wire we need to change. So the wiring goes from there, got this tab right there, and then it goes through the door, through this part of the frame, if you want to call this like that. And then you got two connectors on the fuse box right there, like this. And hope you can see. There it is. See, got some wire cut right there. Then try not to touch it very much. Hold my camera, and at the same time there's also a tab on this one. I need to hold my both hands, and then there we go. And the thing you want is to pull them from the inside to outside, and then back from the outside to inside, because you won't be able to pass with all of this, maybe, but we'll try something. Okay, so I pulled this little plastic part right there, was in the frame right there, then pull everything out. There, I got it. And we'll need this back, because this part will seal the wiring from the outside right there. So basically the thing you want to do before clip everything else is to put back your plastic tab with this part. I lost my words right now. You need to place it back, because it's a real pain to get it right there, and then it's way easier to clip it like that, and it's really well sealed, because you will be able to see if you did seal it correctly and place it back correctly like that. It will be way easier and save you a lot of time. Same thing for this one, you can't really place it first, because you got it right there. You can pull it back and remove it to to be able to place it back. And those wires go over those over here. So I want to bring them right over there. Try to do my best. Pull it back. Come on. I want to do it right. I want to do it quick. Always like that. Basically, I clip them right back, both of them, and I clip my plastic tab right there. I don't know if you can see it correctly. So like this, whenever I open the door and close the door, shut the door, you want to wiggle all my connection right there in the fuse box. We're almost done. Let's go to the final part. Let's connect this one right there, like that. Okay, and then let's try to place everything correctly. Be sure that it's really sealed and tight, so it won't happen again, because they're pretty rare and they're back order, or they're back order. So basically I buy it from Acura directly there. Before clipping everything, let's see if it works. And yeah, got it, works. And I lost this part too. I was unable to like close the door and shut the doors, and when I pressed my key fob, it wasn't like responding like the beep and knowing that all the doors were shut. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day, and see you later soon.